watch more exciting videos, subscribe to Destination Australia and press the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel Destination Australia. So we are here with something new that is need to be unboxing, and we are gonna unbox today Eureka gaming box. Okay, gaming desk. So we have removed everything from the box, and now we are going to start assembling it. So we are going to take time lapse for that. So you guys don't have to wait for that. So I'll see you then in the time lapse.
Yay!
We have finally assembled the table. There are still some equipment, some parts there. We are not going to do it right now because we want to first our screen and everything on this, so we know that what space we have after that, and then only we will try that part. That is the support which keyboard will have, like to put it a slant, but we are not sure we want to use it, so we haven't done it. Yep.
So this has everything, guys. So this is for headphones, and this is a cup holder.
On this side, this is a headphone. Yes.
And then this side also there is a headphone. There is good LED
light.
And
here you can pass your
cables. Yep.
And there are like cable ties.
Yeah, and also there is this extension manager over here where you can have your extension cord and plug. And so it looks very sturdy.
So this part here is wood.
Yep.
All base and everything is metal, and this 3 parts are plastic. I wish it would be more, like, I'm not sure, like quality is good.
Quality is quite good.
Yeah, quality is good.
Yep. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.
This is our Eureka.
This is
gaming
our
desk.
gaming desk. Let me show. So this is what it is. Eureka gaming desk.
Yes.
This is what we assembled. Hey! That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.